Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review and sound test of Muveacoustics Box. Yes guys, I know I'm very late in doing this review because there are many videos out of this speaker. But guys, I'm doing a 3 speaker comparison video very soon. So this is the part of that video. Right guys? So guys, let's get into the review. Guys, I got this speaker from Amazon for 1000 rupees. There are 3 color variants: white, which I got, there's a black one, and there's a blue one, this shade. Right guys, so the box that I received from Amazon is horrible guys, just look at it. Damaged, stickers put on the box, badly crushed, but nonetheless the speaker is okay. I didn't have much expectations with this small speaker, but by the weight of the speaker, it doesn't even weigh 100 grams, it's less than 100 grams. So I didn't have much expectations with it, but guys, when I heard the speaker, it sounds good. Yes guys, it does sound good. So the whole of the speaker, the entire speaker is made up of plastic. It's got soft feel to it, and the front there is this Muveacoustics branding in gold. There is a speaker and there's a small bass radiator over here, and there's a LED notification light over here. On the top there are 4 buttons: mode, minus volume, plus volume, and play and pause. At the back there is a full USB port so that you can use your pen drives to hear music. There is a SD card slot, on and off switch, and a micro USB port to charge the speaker. So guys, if you are looking for a speaker, a personal speaker, so that only you can hear it, not a party starter, but just a personal speaker when you're reading a book, or when you're studying, or when you're at work, a small speaker that only puts out sound just the right amount so that others don't get disturbed. This is the one guys. I did not have any expectations with the speaker, but guys, this speaker blew me away with the amount of bass that this little speaker pumps. Is awesome guys. So guys, let's get into the sound test now. I shall turn on the speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
Here we go guys. Guys, it is playing at full volume. So guys, if you heard the sound sample, I will not say it's the best speaker in the market, but it does do the job properly. It's got good bass, not earth-shattering bass, but enough so you don't feel disappointed that I got a speaker and it does not have bass. It's got enough bass so that you can put it aside besides you while you're working. So it'll produce nice bass and you will feel good about the purchase decision that you made for buying this Muveacoustics box. So battery life on the speaker lasts about 4 hours, but I got somewhere around, it says 6 hours, but I got it somewhere around 4 hours. And the charge time is around a little over 2 hours. Right, guys? So it's got Bluetooth 4.2, so it's got good Bluetooth connectivity. You will not have any problem for 10 meters at least. And this is the same speaker that Virat Kohli endorses. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do comment in the comment section about anything you want to know about the speaker. Right, guys? And do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Tech Dude Varun. I will be coming out soon with the comparison video with 3 speakers including this one. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and I'll be back very soon. So take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.